that last 15 years of an Indian's life are spent in some sort of illness or the other on an average. So the only three things one needs to do is to, one, incorporate at least 45 minutes of exercise in your life, whether it be a brisk walk, whether it will be a jog, whether you do whatever you like to do, aerobics or whatever. 45 minutes, 5 times a week will give you the best chance of staying healthy. Second, your diet and your weight. Your weighing machine will tell you exactly where your body balance is, and the body is, it's no secret that body is like a bank balance. If you do not neutralize what you take in, you will accumulate more and more calories and fat on your body, and that is going to be your biggest enemy, because obesity will lead to diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and depression. So any disease you want to know, it is related to obesity. So that is one piece of thing that I think we should all be very careful about. It's very easy to put on weight, but it's not so easy to lose it. And for men, it should be easy, because we get, when our pants get tight, you know you want to miss the next meal. Unfortunately, our women don't get that feedback because their apparel is expandable, so they don't get that feedback that men do. So women have to be more careful. And the best way to stay careful is to have a weighing machine in your home, in your bathroom. And if you weigh yourself every day, you know that if you're putting on weight, you want to go slow on the eating. And if you have done okay, then you can eat normal food. So I think that's important. The third important thing is stress. And stress, as you all know, is all pervasive in everybody's life, some way or the other. And the best way to break stress is actually to meditate or yoga or entertainment, whichever you like to do. There's no hard and fast rule, but unless you break your daily routine and you go away or distract your mind from stress, you will then feel the effects of accumulated stress, which causes every disease. Now, there are stresses, like I said, which are pervasive, and there are stresses which are self-created. And the self-created stress come from three things. One is, first is greed, second is arrogance, and third is jealousy. Now, when they did the gene mapping in the world, they found Indians had 2 extra genes. And that was the J and K. J is actually for